So today I decided to make velvet cake using my Ninja blender. Welcome to my channel and thanks for tuning in. To start with making my velvet cake, I'll add 2 eggs into my blender, then sunflower groundnut oil, 2 tablespoons of butter, and also sugar. I'll put everything together, then I'll blend to perfection. Perfection, I mean until it becomes cream-like in color, just like so. This is exactly how I want it to look like. So the next is to add 1.5 cup of flour and a tablespoon of my baking powder. I'll drop in the description section measurements of this recipe so you can check that out. I also added vanilla to this velvet cake. The next stage is to add my colored ingredients to my blender. So this comprises of warm milk and red color. You know, velvet is always red, so you need to mix a little bit of that. So what I'll do afterwards, I'll add my cocoa powder. That helps it to look and taste really nice. I'll cover and I'll blend everything. Wow, take a look at that texture. Can you see it's not too thick and it's not too watery? So it's time for me to lay my cupcake containers into my cupcake pan. Once I'm done laying my cupcake cases, I'll add my batter into the cases and put it in the oven for 25 minutes. Gas mark 360 degrees Celsius. My velvet cupcake is ready. Now, tell me how you prefer to make your own velvet cake. Do you prefer the normal conventional way or the shortcut, which is using my blender? Any method will come out perfect. If you've stayed up to this time, thank you so much. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate your presence in my channel. And I hope to see you guys in my next one. At this point, I'll say bye and